let's wrap up the markets for you, and we ending at close to the low point of the day. 10,180 was the lowest level that we saw on the Nifty. We shut shop around that mark at 10,217, down 142 points on the Nifty. Started off fairly strong. We've lost out about 0.2% on the frontline index. For the Sensex, 430 points down at 33,250 thereabouts. The broader end of the market pretty much in tandem with the frontliners, and it's an awful market breadth that you have at hand. It's infrastructure, MNC, auto, IT, pharma, media, all of those sectors that have come under pressure, but particularly the metals and the PSC sector, which has seen the most carnage in trade today. Nothing has been spared. Let's run you through the long list of Nifty losers on Friday. Here's how we wrap up in terms of the top drags on the index. It's Coal India, IOC down and out, Tata Motors, Asian Paints, Ultratech Cement in the red, NTPC, Hero Motocorp, Kotak Bank, India Bulls Housing, as well as HPCL and ONGC in the red. Run you through the handful of stocks that have managed to buck the trend and hold out in the green. M&M on the positive brokerage note, Yes Bank at 315, HUL, and Kunal pointed out that there's pretty strong volume activity here. It's going home with a gain of about 0.6%. Tech Mahindra, Wipro and HCL Technologies, all of those IT stocks have managed to see some sort of a recovery. But for the week gone by, Siddharth, the broader end of the market, in fact, has shown you again despite the move that we've seen. And as we said at the start of the week, the expectation was pretty different than what's turned out today. So I don't think too many people will say, thank God it's Friday, at least when it comes to the market.
Absolutely, Yaman. In fact, out of last 5-6 trading sessions, there were 2 days that market breadth was also quite fab, around 1100-1200 stocks inclining or advances to very few declining stocks. But then gap up opening on Monday, and the way today market has closed, it certainly has negative implications, as we discussed with our technical experts. For me, the way Reliance bounced back from lower levels but market still remained at lowest point of the day, that was a sign that there is something which is happening when it comes to balancing of a portfolio, and Kunal was throwing some light when it comes to VWAP adjustments, and we'll talk to him more on that. But this is not a good closing. We were having experts who were talking after the initial bounce back on Monday and Tuesday that worst seemed to be over, and then probably we are back on the track. But I think this track has taken a reverse gear at this point of time, and certainly this is not a good closing even on weekly basis, let alone seeing the daily close.